The world is panicking. Markets are crashing. Businesses are shutting down. Fear is everywhere. But what if I told you that some of the greatest fortunes in history were made during times exactly like this? While most people see chaos, the wealthy see opportunity. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn an economic downturn into your golden opportunity to build real wealth. First, let's get one thing straight. Economic downturns are not new. They happen every few years, and every time people react the same way: panic, sell, and lose money. But the ultra-wealthy? They prepare, invest, and profit. During the 2008 recession, while millions were losing their homes, companies like Amazon and investors like Warren Buffett were buying assets at a discount. When the economy bounced back, they made billions. So what's their secret? They understand something that most people don't. The first thing you need to do is shift your mindset. Stop seeing downturns as disasters. Start seeing them as opportunities. Most people see a market crash and think, "Oh no, I'm going to lose everything." Wealthy people see it and think, "Wow, everything is on sale." If you can train your mind to think like an investor, you'll start spotting chances that others miss. What if I told you that the wealthiest people in the world love bear markets? Why? Because everything stocks, real estate, businesses go on sale. Think of it like this. Imagine your favorite designer brand suddenly selling luxury clothes at 80% off. Wouldn't you buy as much as you could? That's exactly what happens in the stock market. Instead of selling in fear, smart investors buy stocks of great companies at a discount. When the economy recovers, those stocks soar in value. In 2008, Warren Buffett invested billions in companies like Goldman Sachs and Bank of America. While others were panicking, he was making calculated moves that made him even richer. Right now, you have the same opportunity. If you pick strong companies with solid fundamentals, hold on to them, and wait for the market to recover, you can create serious wealth. Real estate is another gold mine during downturns. When the economy crashes, housing prices drop and property owners get desperate to sell. That's when you can step in and get great deals. In the 2008 crisis, real estate moguls bought properties at half their normal price. A few years later, those properties doubled or tripled in value. If you've ever wanted to own real estate, downturns are your chance to buy at the lowest prices possible. And if you don't have enough money to buy, look into real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in property with small amounts of cash. Starting a business in a downturn might sound risky, but history shows that many of the biggest companies today started during economic downturns. Airbnb was launched during the 2008 recession when people needed cheaper travel options. Uber also started in the same crisis when people were looking for flexible income opportunities. A downturn forces you to be resourceful, cut unnecessary costs, and focus on providing real value. If you can build a business in tough times, imagine how strong it will be when the economy improves. Not all businesses survive a recession, but the ones that do come out even stronger. If you've been thinking about starting a business, now might be the best time. One of the biggest mistakes people make in a downturn is hoarding cash. While it's smart to have an emergency fund, keeping all your money in the bank is a losing strategy. because inflation eats away at its value. Instead, use your money wisely. Invest in assets that will appreciate when the economy recovers. Stocks, real estate, businesses, and even commodities like gold and silver are better stores of value than cash sitting in a low-interest bank account. Your earning potential doesn't have to shrink during a downturn. In fact, this is the perfect time to upgrade your skills and position yourself for higher-paying opportunities. During recessions, industries shift and new opportunities emerge. If you develop skills in high-demand areas like digital marketing, tech, finance, or entrepreneurship, you can stay ahead while others struggle. Recessions create new demands. If you learn to meet them, you'll always be in demand. While everyone else is waiting for the economy to fix itself, you should be making strategic moves. Every time there's an economic downturn, there are two types of people: those who complain and those who capitalize. Those who complain get stuck in the cycle of fear, waiting for things to get better, while those who capitalize take action and build wealth. This is your chance to be on the right side of history. Don't let fear control you. Prepare, invest, and take advantage of opportunities while others are panicking. The key to profiting in a downturn isn't about luck, it's about strategy. If you can keep a clear head, recognize patterns, and make informed decisions, you can turn any recession into a wealth-building opportunity. So what will you do? Will you sit back and watch others build wealth? Or will you take action and create your own success story? If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's keep growing, let's keep building, and most importantly, let's keep winning. This is Wealth Mindset, and I'll see you in the next one.